Hi everyone, I'm Xenia from Threads. Today I'm going to show you a few ways you can reuse and repurpose your tights to give them a second life. So let's get started. Shower. What? So another great way you can make use of your old tights is to use it as a hanger for eucalyptus in the shower. So why eucalyptus? Eucalyptus has so many good health benefits, from aromatherapy to clearing your sinuses. It's a really great plant to have in your home all year round. You may notice that some steam rooms and gyms will have aromatherapy sprays and towels, and it's because it really does work. So what you'll need for this is you'll need a eucalyptus plant. It doesn't have to be this big, any size you want really. And I'm gonna use a piece that I cut off from the waistband of some sheer tights. So I've already done the cutting. I just took a piece out of here. And you want this piece to be pretty thick, so either from the waistband or just below it. And if you're wondering why we recommend using your tights to tie it up, it's because there's actually, these are antibacterial, so it doesn't store a lot of the bacteria that you would otherwise get in a humid and hot environment like your shower. So once you have this piece, how you hang it is really up to you, and it just is depending on the size of your plant. Since this is pretty big, what we're gonna do is we're gonna just take this piece and thread it under. And then you just hang it on your shower head. So it's important that this is really close to where the water comes out, because you know, when the hot water comes out, the heat will really activate the plant, and then you'll get all the really good benefits. And I would just recommend maybe every week or two to take this piece off and toss it in the washing machine, just so it's clean and doesn't collect bacteria. There you go. Should I put this pillow here?
Yeah.
It's Ian's pillow, so if it gets dirty, it's not mine. Hey everyone, if you've seen our potpourri video and liked it, I'm about to show you something else you can do that will help you get a better night's rest. So this is the potpourri. What we did was we put some flower petals and sprayed it with perfume and tied it up, and it just becomes like a very nice scented pouch that you can put in your drawers, in your living room, really anywhere. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna fill the same pouch with some lavender, some valerian, you can do chamomile, all these calming herbs that will help you get a better night's rest. So very similar to before, we're gonna take the foot of a pair of tights. So sheer tights are better, but you can also use opaque if you really want. So we're just gonna cut a piece of it. Again, the size is totally dependent on how much of the herbs and flowers you want to put it in. So this is the lavender and the herbs all grinded up. You can buy whole flowers, really up to you. And what we're gonna do is we're just gonna take the foot and fill it up. We don't actually need to use all of it, just a little bit is enough. So here you are, it's like a little pouch, it's almost like a tea bag. If you smell it, you can smell it very subtly, which is exactly what we want. So you tie a knot. This doesn't have to be pretty, it's gonna go under your pillow during the day. So there you go, it's a little pouch. And what you're gonna do with this is you're gonna put it underneath your pillow during the day when you're not sleeping on it. So just under there or on top, doesn't really matter. And then at night, when it's time to go to bed, you remove this, you put it on your side table, and the pillow smells very subtly of lavender and all these calming flowers and herbs. So again, this is just a really quick way to kind of use your old tights and some flowers and herbs that have good aromatherapy effects. Thanks again for watching and tuning in. We hope you found all our tips helpful. If you are doing this at home, We'd love to see it, so please tag us in any photos and videos you might have. And if you have any other ideas of other ways we could reuse old tights, please let us know in the comments or send us a message. If you're ever in need of new tights, be sure to check us out at yourthreads.co. Thanks and see you next time.